It is too bright.
Cooper, you run?
Alright, ready? Do suicides. Suicides, Cooper. You mean you get dizzy?
No.
Yeah, I turned the fan off. It was cold in here.
Yeah.
Do suicides.
Okay.
Suicides, go. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks, goosh.
Get up, boy.
Good job, you're dancing.
Say no dancing, Mom. You're jumping jacks.
No, these are dancing. No, sir. Not from behind there.
Hey, buddy. How are you? And
What are you doing over here with Mommy? Cooper, say my name is Shiloh. I'm Shiloh.
Shiloh.
Yeah, Shiloh's your lady's name. Cooper looks like her. Shiloh's kind of looks like a boy.
It does not look like you.
What is Papa like? Angelina Jolie? Why can't you get some barbecue?
Cooper's shadow.
You found him! Peter Pan found him!
What's that?
Your shadow!
Cooper.
You found his shadow.
Hey, look at your hair. Look at your hair on the wall. Turn around and look at the shadow. Where's your shadow?
Can you see a shadow in the camera?
No, that freaked me out. Get back. Say, I see you. Say, you are my shadow.
There's Shadow. See him?
No.
Stand up.
Look at your hair. You see it on the wall? Point to his hair.
On the wall.
Who's that guy?
Cooper.
Say hi, Cooper.
Hi, Cooper.
Say, Ice Strong. Cooper, tell him. Say, Ice Strong. Can I have that?
Pickle.
Thank you.
Gross.
Where's Mommy?
Mountain
Say
Dew.
gross.
Mountain Dew.
Where's Mommy?
Mommy doesn't have Mountain Dew. She has water. Where's Mommy's water? You want some?
Yeah, okay.